Let me ask you something. How often do you lie awake at night asking yourself, am I good enough? Can I actually do this? Am I smart enough? It is a heavy weight, isn't it? Those conversations in the mirror where you see your reflection but feel like a stranger. You have tried so many things to break free from doubts, self-help books, motivational podcasts, even leaning on others for validation. And yet, here you are, still searching for courage, certainty. You need to move forward. I get it. I have been there. And today, we are going to break that circle of doubt together. I will share a personal story, helping you see your challenges in our new way and guide you step by step towards turning doubt into your greatest strength. Sounds good. Let's dive in. I remember a time when everything in my life seems to fall apart. Professionally, I wasn't where I wanted to be. Personally, I felt unappreciated. And no matter what I tried, I couldn't shake the feeling that I was failing. I kept asking myself the same questions you might be asking yourself now. What did I do wrong to end up here? Why isn't anything working? Why can't I just be enough? I felt like I was stuck in a tunnel, dark tunnel, endless and full of doubt. You have been there, haven't you? It is that place where every step forward feels like sinking deeper into a quicksand. I was chasing after everyone else's approval, loving others more than I loved myself, and constantly questioning whether I had what it took to make it out. But here is what I learned. The tunnel doesn't mean you are lost. It is a part of the journey. And once I stopped fighting against it and started walking through it, step by step, I began to see the light on the other side. It wasn't easy, but it was worth it. And you know what? That's where we are together. You, me, and so many others. We all face the battle against self-doubt. You might be thinking, why does everyone else seem so confident when I'm struggling? What if I never find my way? How do I stop this voice in my head that keeps telling me I am not enough? These questions aren't weakness. These questions aren't weaknesses. They are signals. Signals that you are at a turning point. But here is the hard truth. The tunnel doesn't give you clarity. It gives you challenges. And challenges make you question everything: your worth, your skills, your direction. That's when most people give up. But not us. We don't give up because we know something powerful. Every challenge is an opportunity. Every time doubt tells you to stop, it is an invitation to grow. It is a chance to build resilience, energy, and boldness. And guess what? The confusion you feel, it's actually a sign that you are moving forward. But here is the question. Are you ready to take control? To stop waiting for clarity and start creating it? Here is how you do it. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1, love yourself first. If you don't love yourself, you can't fully love others. Start small. Each morning, look in the mirror and find one thing you can celebrate about yourself. Your kindness, your resilience, your ability to keep going even when it is tough. Step 2, reframe doubt. When doubt creeps in, don't fight it. Challenge it. Ask yourself, what's the evidence for these thoughts? 9 times out of 10, you will realize it is just fear talking. Replace those doubts with affirmations. Step 3, take bold action. Doubt thrives in stagnation. The longer you wait, the stronger it grows. So take action. Even if it is small, set one goal today that moves you closer to where you want to be. And take the first step towards it. Step 4, find your tribe. You can't do this alone. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, who remind you of your worth when you forget it. This isn't about pretending to be perfect. It is about creating a community that grows together. Step 5, celebrate every win. This is crucial. We're so quick to focus on what's wrong that we forget to celebrate what's right. Did you take one small step forward today? Celebrate it. Did you face a fear and push through? Celebrate it. The more you celebrate, the more momentum you build. So here is the truth. Doubt isn't your enemy. It is your teacher. It is here to show you where you need to grow, to remind you of the strength you already have, and to push you to new heights. And the tunnel, it's not a dead end. It is a pathway, one that leads to courage, confidence, and success. But only if you are willing to take that first step. So Are you ready? Are you ready to celebrate yourself, love yourself, and take bold action towards the life you deserve? Because I am here to tell you, you have got this. And you are in it. You are, and we are in it together. Let's move forward. I will encourage you to hit subscribe and join our community of bold thinkers and doers. Drop a comment below and tell me one thing you are celebrating about yourself today. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. If you might just, change their life by sharing it with that person. Follow for more steps, stories, and strategies to build the life you want.